we are now in Essendon, Lewisburg Lodge. That's where we had our dinner, and it just happened to be the same time it was show of Kick It Up was going on, so we said might as well stay for that. It was pretty good. From what I could grasp from it, it was just basically the concept how it was a guy and a girl, a geeky girl, and then the guy's cousin. And the guy's cousin turned into a cowboy, and the geeky girl turned into a normal, regular girl or whatever. But I have absolutely no clue.
So we're not that together.
About the concept, and I seem to like it. If you have the time, go ahead and see it. It's not that bad.